Get ready to elevate your aerial adventures. In this video, we're exploring best DJI drones that are redefining the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned pro, DJI has an exceptional range of drones to suit your needs. From lightweight, travel-friendly options to professional-grade models, these drones promise stunning visuals, effortless operation, and unparalleled performance. With features designed for everyone, let's dive into the world of DJI and find the perfect drone for your next adventure. First up is the DJI Avata 2, a drone that elevates immersive flying experiences to new heights. Building on the excitement of first-person view, FPV flying, the Avata 2 enhances the experience with the upgraded DJI Goggles 3, delivering a sharper and more vivid feed. The intuitive motion controller allows for precise hand gestures, making complex maneuvers like flips, rolls, and 180 degrees drifts easier than ever. Compared to its predecessor, the DJI Avata, the motion controller in the Avata 2 is even more responsive, offering greater control and confidence during flight. With a 155 degrees field of view and the ability to capture stunning 4K at 60 frames per second video, the Avata 2 presents a significant upgrade in video quality. This wide field of view is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or navigating tight indoor spaces. The Avata 2 is lightweight and portable, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go filming. Additionally, the Lightcut app simplifies the editing process, while compliance with FAA remote ID rules ensures safe and legal flying. Next on our list is the DJI Mini 2 SE, one of the most affordable options in DJI's lineup. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, this ultra-lightweight drone is perfect for adventures, hikes, or road trips. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, fitting comfortably in your backpack without adding significant weight. The Mini 2 SE serves as a fantastic entry point for beginners eager to explore aerial photography without breaking the bank. One of its standout features is that you won't need to register it with the FAA or activate remote ID when flying recreationally, simplifying the experience for novice pilots. The Mini 2 SE boasts an impressive 31 minutes of flight time per battery, which is commendable for a drone in its price range. Opting for the Fly More combo gives you 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, providing up to 93 minutes of total flying time. With a 10 kilometers transmission range and OcuSync technology, the Mini 2 SE allows you to explore farther while maintaining a strong connection, ensuring an enjoyable flying experience. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a creative powerhouse designed for effortless content creation. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone allows you to skip registration hassles in many regions, making it the ideal travel companion. The Mini 3 Pro excels in capturing high-quality footage on the go, whether you're hiking, traveling, or enjoying the outdoors. What sets the Mini 3 Pro apart is its ability to shoot 4K at 60 frames per second videos and capture 48 megapixel photos. With a larger sensor and improved low-light performance, making it perfect for various lighting conditions. The true vertical shooting mode lets you capture flawless vertical shots for social media, as the gimbal rotates 90 degrees to maintain image quality. Enhanced safety features, including tridirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, provide confidence while flying in diverse environments, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. Next up is the DJI Air 3S, a drone that offers remarkable versatility for creators seeking high-end performance in a sleek package. The standout feature of this drone is its dual camera system, which combines a 50-megapixel, 1-inch CMOS primary camera with a 70mm medium telephoto camera. This innovative setup delivers stunning 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video and provides 14 stops of dynamic range, allowing for vibrant and lifelike footage. This dual camera configuration offers enhanced creative flexibility compared to the DJI Air 3. The primary camera excels with its large 3.2 micrometers pixel size, capturing expansive landscapes with incredible detail. Whether shooting in bright daylight or challenging low-light conditions, the Air 3S delivers impressive image quality. For those who love flexibility in post-production, it records in H.265 encoding, supporting 4K at 120 frames per second slow-motion video, and the professional-grade 10-bit D-Log M color mode. Safety is a top priority with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing the Air 3s to navigate confidently even in complex environments. With an impressive 45-minute flight time, this drone provides ample opportunity to plan and execute your shots. Now, let's talk about the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a drone crafted for professional-level content creation. Featuring a Hasselblad main camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and breathtaking 4K videos. What sets the Mavic 3 Pro apart is its enhanced dynamic range and improved low-light capabilities, making it the ideal choice for serious photographers. The Mavic 3 Pro complies with FAA remote ID requirements, ensuring that you're flying legally and safely. It includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, utilizing 8 vision sensors for comprehensive obstacle detection. With up to 43 minutes of flight time, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about battery life. The DJI O3 Plus transmission system boasts a range of up to 15 kilometers, providing a stable camera view even over long distances. Plus, recent firmware upgrades introduce exciting features like 10-bit D-Log M and HLG color modes, enhancing your post-production capabilities and giving your videos a professional edge. Finally, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate drone for travel enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require registration in most countries, offering a hassle-free flying experience, including improved flight time and camera capabilities. You can capture stunning 4K at 60 frames per second HDR vertical videos directly from the camera, no post-editing required. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system adds an extra layer of safety, detecting obstacles from all directions, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. With 20 kilometers full HD video transmission, the Mini 4 Pro delivers real-time, lag-free visuals, providing an immersive flying experience. It also features the new ActiveShots 360 degrees intelligent tracking, allowing you to easily customize your drone's flight path for smooth, cinematic shots. This overview of the best DJI drones aims to help you discover the ideal option for your aerial photography and videography needs. Whether you're looking for portability, powerful cameras, or advanced features, DJI has something for everyone. With a wide array of choices, you're sure to find the perfect drone to elevate your creative endeavors. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for updates. See you in the next video.